Do you want the full beach experience? With the wind directly in your hair?
Well, she got her daddy's car and she cruised through the hamburger stand now. Seems she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now.
This is by far
And with the radio
the cleanest
blasting, goes cruising just as fast as she can now.
thing Volkswagen has ever made. Nut and bolt rotisserie restoration.
Well, the girl's being standard 'cause she walks, looks and drives like an ace. You walk like an ace now, you walk like an ace. She makes the Indy 500 look like a Roman chariot race. Like an ace now, you look like an ace. A lot of guys try to catch her, but